Check the fan limit control by observing whether the bimetal strip moves and closes contacts when the furnace heats up. Start by turning power to the furnace off at the switch or breaker and removing the access panel so you can safely view the fan limit control and blower area. With power off, visually inspect the bimetal strip and the mechanism for any corrosion, dust buildup, or obvious contact between the strip and the metal blower wheel that could cause binding. If the strip looks bent toward the wheel, gently try to free it so it no longer touches rotating parts. Do not force it or pry aggressively, because the strip is delicate and can break. Restore power briefly and run the furnace to observe the strip as the heat rises. It should visibly move and close the internal contacts before the blower delay period ends, and you can listen for a click when it actuates. If the strip does not move, does not click, or the blower still fails to start while the furnace cabinet is warm, the fan limit control is likely faulty and should be replaced. When replacing it, choose a control rated for your furnace model and follow the wiring diagram exactly, and if you are not comfortable working on live electrical components, call a qualified technician. Common issues start with the bimetal strip physically touching the blower wheel, which prevents movement and can be fixed by carefully freeing the strip and ensuring sufficient clearance. Another frequent problem is contamination from dust or rust causing the strip or contact points to stick. Cleaning with compressed air and a non-corrosive contact cleaner often restores operation, but replace the control if contacts are pitted. A third concern is an internal electrical failure where the strip appears to move but contacts do not close. That requires replacing the fan limit control since internal switches are not repairable. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners locate local contractors for jobs that include furnace and safety control work, and to let contractors find leads for projects in their area. We also host a discussion community where users share troubleshooting experiences, post photos, and ask questions, so we can all learn from each other.